Avocados have skyrocketed in popularity, transforming from a niche fruit to a dietary staple. Once considered a delicacy, they're now readily available worldwide. This surge in popularity is driven by a growing awareness of their exceptional nutritional value. From smoothies to salads, avocados have earned a place in kitchens globally. Their creamy texture and mild flavor enhance both sweet and savory dishes. The avocado trend extends beyond just food, with the fruit's oil finding its way into cosmetics and skincare products. Whether smashed on toast, blended into a smoothie, or enjoyed simply sliced, avocados offer a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. The avocado's popularity isn't just a fleeting food fad. It's rooted in tangible health benefits backed by scientific research. Studies have linked avocado consumption to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. Beyond their nutritional value, avocados are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking for delicious ways to enhance your diet, avocados offer a powerful combination of taste and nutrition. Avocados are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals that play vital roles in maintaining optimal health. They are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cellular damage. Avocados also contain vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Including just half an avocado in your daily diet can significantly boost your intake of these vital nutrients. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are created equal. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil. These fats have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. The monounsaturated fats in avocados also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable food for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Including avocados in your diet can help improve your overall cholesterol profile and support long-term cardiovascular health. Avocados are a rich source of antioxidants, compounds that protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and the development of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Avocados contain a variety of antioxidants, including carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are particularly beneficial for eye health. Another potent antioxidant found in avocados is glutathione, a powerful detoxifier that helps neutralize harmful substances in the liver. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you provide your body with a powerful arsenal of antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and promote overall health and well-being. Avocados have earned a stellar reputation for their heart-healthy benefits, and for good reason. Their abundance of monounsaturated fats plays a key role in managing cholesterol levels, a crucial factor in maintaining cardiovascular health. Specifically, avocados help lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol levels, avocados contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Avocados also boost HDL cholesterol, known as the good cholesterol. This process helps prevent plaque buildup and keeps the arteries clear, further reducing the risk of heart disease. The heart-healthy benefits of avocados extend beyond their cholesterol-lowering effects. Avocados are rich in potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counter the negative effects of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure and put strain on the heart. Furthermore, avocados contain antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. This protective effect contributes to overall cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart-related complications. Incorporating avocados into a heart-healthy diet is a delicious and effective way to support cardiovascular well-being. Replacing unhealthy saturated and trans fats with the monounsaturated fats found in avocados can make a significant difference in cholesterol levels. Adding avocado slices to salads not only enhances flavor, but also provides a boost of heart-healthy nutrients. Blending avocado into smoothies creates a creamy texture and adds a dose of healthy fats and fiber. By combining avocado consumption with a well-rounded, nutrient-rich diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and maintain a healthy heart for years to come. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, demanding a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. Avocados, with their impressive nutrient profile, can play a significant role in supporting cognitive health and function. The monounsaturated fats found abundantly in avocados are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of brain cells, ensuring efficient communication between neurons. These healthy fats also improve blood flow to the brain, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. By providing the building blocks for these essential messengers, avocados contribute to a healthy and balanced brain. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining sharp memory and focus is more important than ever. Avocados, often hailed as brain food, can offer valuable support in these areas. Studies have shown that the monounsaturated fats in avocados can enhance cognitive function, including improved memory and attention span. Additionally, avocados contain antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, which protect brain cells from oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and impair cognitive function. Including avocados in your diet can contribute to healthy blood pressure levels, supporting both cardiovascular and cognitive health. Avocados are not only beneficial for brain health, but they also offer remarkable benefits for our eyes. They contain two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are highly concentrated in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, central vision. By absorbing this high-energy light, these antioxidants protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Avocados also contain vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that supports overall eye health. Including avocados in your diet is a delicious and effective way to nourish your eyes from within, supporting long-term vision health and reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. Pregnancy is a time of immense growth and development, demanding an increased intake of essential nutrients to support both mother and baby. Avocados, with their impressive nutritional profile, can play a crucial role in ensuring a healthy pregnancy and optimal fetal development. One of the most critical nutrients during pregnancy is folate, a B vitamin that is essential for cell growth and division. Avocados are a good source of folate, which helps prevent neural tube defects, serious birth defects that affect the brain and spinal cord. Including avocados in the diet during this crucial time can help ensure that the developing baby has the necessary building blocks for a healthy nervous system. Osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease characterized by cartilage breakdown, is a leading cause of pain and disability worldwide. Avocados, often hailed for their anti-inflammatory properties, may offer a natural way to manage symptoms and support joint health. Monounsaturated fats, abundant in avocados, have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the joints. Additionally, avocados are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C neutralizes these harmful molecules, reducing oxidative stress and protecting joint tissues from further damage. Avocados also contain vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that works in conjunction with vitamin C to combat inflammation and support joint health. Avocados are an excellent source of fiber, a nutrient that is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy pregnancy. The fiber in avocados helps regulate bowel movements, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Adequate fiber intake also supports healthy blood sugar control, which is particularly important during pregnancy as the body becomes more resistant to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. By incorporating avocados into their diet, pregnant women can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of gestational diabetes and its associated complications. The healthy fats in avocados also contribute to satiety, keeping pregnant women feeling fuller for longer and preventing overeating, which can lead to excessive weight gain. Avocados, often perceived as a high-calorie food, can actually be a valuable ally in weight management. While they are calorie-dense, their nutrient composition and ability to promote satiety make them a smart choice for those seeking to maintain or lose weight. The high fiber content of avocados plays a key role in weight management. Fiber adds bulk to the diet, promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. By incorporating avocados into a balanced diet, you can harness their satiating effects and support your weight management goals. While more research is needed, emerging evidence suggests that avocados may play a role in cancer prevention. Avocados are rich in phytochemicals, naturally occurring plant compounds that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These phytochemicals, including carotenoids, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, have shown promising results in laboratory studies for their potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Avocados also contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. While avocados alone cannot prevent cancer, incorporating them as part of a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains may contribute to overall cancer risk reduction. No single food is a magic bullet for health, and avocados are no exception. Avocados offer health benefits when part of a balanced diet. Focus on a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Regular physical activity is crucial for overall well-being. Embrace a holistic approach to health with avocados in a balanced diet. Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich flavor, can be a surprising ally for managing diabetes and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Unlike sugary snacks, avocados have a minimal impact on blood glucose levels. This is due to their low carbohydrate content and abundance of healthy fats and fiber. The fiber in avocados plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber slows down sugar absorption, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose. Monounsaturated fats in avocados improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing glucose utilization. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a silent killer, often undetected until it causes serious health issues. Avocados, rich in potassium, help manage blood pressure and reduce these risks. Potassium counters sodium's effects, relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Consuming potassium-rich foods like avocados promotes healthy blood pressure regulation. Digestive harmony, fiber, and healthy fats. Avocados, praised for their creamy texture, are a boon for digestive health, promoting regularity and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber in avocados adds bulk to the stool, preventing constipation. Healthy fats in avocados reduce inflammation and aid in vitamin absorption. Incorporate avocados to nourish your digestive system and support a thriving gut microbiome. Avocados, celebrated for their culinary versatility, also hold a prominent place in skincare. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they nourish the skin from within. Healthy fats in avocados, like oleic acid, maintain cell membrane integrity, ensuring skin retains moisture. This results in a youthful appearance. Avocados are also rich in vitamin C, vital for collagen synthesis. Collagen provides skin firmness and elasticity. The kidneys, the body's filtration system, remove waste and excess fluids from the bloodstream. Avocados, rich in potassium, may support kidney health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, crucial for kidney function. Avocados also provide antioxidants, protecting cells from damage. From boosting heart health and promoting radiant skin to supporting a healthy pregnancy, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and heart-healthy fats, they contribute to overall well-being. Enjoy them in various dishes to nourish your body. Remember, a balanced diet and lifestyle are key to optimal health. As we conclude our journey into the world of avocados, embrace the power of this incredible fruit. Experiment with different ways to incorporate avocados into your meals. Add them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even desserts for a creamy, flavorful boost. Get creative and explore the endless possibilities. Share the avocado love with your friends and family. Small changes can make a big difference in your health. Tell us in the comment section below how you use your avocado. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.